Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today I'll be sharing the best affiliate programs you need to join. I have found some top-notch programs that can really make a difference. So if you're looking to maximize your affiliate earnings and make smart choices, you're in the right place. So now let's dive into the programs, why they're effective, and how you can promote them for the best results. So now first up is we have NordVPN. If you are not familiar, NordVPN is a popular VPN service that protects users' online information and allows access to restricted content worldwide. Their commission structure is fantastic. 100% of the first month for new monthly users and 40% for yearly plans, plus a recurring 30% on renewals. This means you'll keep earning as long as your referral stays subscribed. NordVPN is perfect for YouTube channels of all niches, making it easy to promote and earn consistently. Next, let's talk about Amazon Associates. Amazon's affiliate program is simple and versatile, allowing you to promote any product available on Amazon. This program works across all platforms, from blogs to YouTube and in any niche. For example, channels that review gadgets or gardening equipment often use Amazon links and rake in solid commissions. With such a massive product variety, there is something for everyone to promote. And now moving on to Canva and Adob. Both offer credible tools for creative editing, and their affiliate programs are generous, with Canva offering up to 80% and Adobe offering up to 85% in commissions. What's even better is these commissions are recurring, meaning ongoing revenue. A great way to promote this is by creating tutorials on these tools, especially on YouTube or short-form platforms like TikTok. Next, we have Coinbase, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the US. Coinbase offers 50% off your referrals trading fees for the first 3 months. If your audience is interested in finance or crypto, this is an ideal program. Even lifestyle channels can integrate Coinbase, sharing tips on secure trading and directing users to the platform. Next, let's not forget Steam.io and ClickFunnels. These are essential tools for any finance-focused content, helping business manage sales funnels efficiently. Both offer a recurring 40% monthly commission, so you earn as long as your referral uses the service. Many finance creators have earned substantial income by promoting this through contents like software tutorials. Next, let's look at Impact.com. It's an affiliate network with access to popular brands like Shopify, Adidas, and HelloFresh. This platform is unique because you can partner with well-known brands, making it appealing to creators in various niches. Although some worry about getting accepted without a big audience, building even a small following can help you secure access to great affiliate programs. And now, finally, ClickBank and Digistore24. These networks specialize in info products, which tend to yield higher commissions. Products range from courses on pet training to financial advice, with high-ticket items offering up to $1,000 per sale. If your content centers on self-improvement, finances, or training, these platforms are a great fit. And those are basically it on our list of the best affiliate programs for 2024. Each programs offer different perks, so choose what aligns best with your audience. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.